Best Amazon Performance Dashboard. An Amazon Performance Dashboard is a powerful tool that gives sellers real-time insights into their business health. It tracks key metrics such as sales, conversions, customer feedback, and inventory performance, all in one place. By monitoring these analytics, sellers can make faster, smarter decisions to improve profitability and maintain strong marketplace visibility. The best dashboards combine simplicity with depth, allowing users to customize their data views, compare product trends, and identify growth opportunities. Regularly checking your dashboard ensures consistent performance, quick issue resolution, and effective campaign optimization, leading to higher sales and better customer satisfaction. Helium 10 offers one of the best Amazon performance dashboards, providing complete visibility into revenue, ad spend, keyword ranking, and product performance. Many successful sellers rely on Helium 10 to measure their progress, track key trends, and optimize operations with real-time, data-driven insights. You can start using Helium 10 for free today by clicking the link in our description. It instantly gives you access to advanced dashboards, analytics, and performance tracking tools that help you manage and grow your Amazon business with confidence.